Now we're Saturday evening going in. It's like 7 o'clock or so. And the weather has deteriorated a little bit. Started to actually do something. We got a tornado warning, which means a tornado has been sighted in our area. So that's kind of annoying. We'll see how that goes. My lens keeps fogging up, but apparently there is a tornado out here somewhere. I don't doubt it. Winds have picked up. We're seeing about probably 30-mile-an-hour winds right now. So again, this is pretty typical stuff for a Florida storm. So nothing too crazy. Not completely calm anymore. The wind chime is actually moving on its own now. No leaf blower special effects. Let's see how it turns out.
Welcome to video 2, day 2 of Hurricane Irma. As you can see, the weather is starting to get a little bit windy outside, but it's really not too bad. So, yeah. The cars are safe, they're dry, they're happy. So as long as the power stays on, I think we're good. I still have beer and green beans, so that's good. And some Doritos. But I really should have bought more snacks.
Look here, I got my walkie-talkies. These are sick. Motorola. That way I can talk to myself. It's pretty sweet. Sunday morning. So now, a little more of the same from yesterday. Winds have increased a little bit more. I've been seeing something along the lines of probably 40, 45, maybe even 50-mile-per-hour gusts. So, still nothing really for me to go, oh my god. It's just blustery. Every once in a while the squalls will move through, the rain bands will move through, and I'm expecting a lot more of that. I still have power. That's a super plus, because apparently there's 120,000 power outages thus far. At least that's what the news says. And still have all my stuff going. Fish tank, TV, no problems there yet. So let's see what happens. The worst of it is supposed to move through this area around like 8 p.m. or so. So that's a ways off because it's about 9 a.m. right now. But so far so good. I moved my patio furniture inside just so it doesn't blow around in case it does get pretty windy. Fish are waking up. Fish tank is still going, that's good. Hopefully the power stays on. That'd be sweet. That makes life so much better, especially with the AC and the fish tank running. I'd really like that. But I got my generator ready just in case it doesn't. Storm's hitting the Keys right now. And it's moving, making its way north. So the west coast of Florida is gonna get some ridiculous storm surge. Keys saw like a gust of 94 miles an hour, I think, or something like that. I didn't see anything beyond that yet, but wind here is nowhere near that, obviously. The wind here is pretty much average for a storm. No down trees or anything that I see yet. So, all good this far. Here we are out front. You can see this stupid dead tree. That's like my wind marker right there. It's still up. So I'm expecting that thing to snap like a twig if we get any kind of real wind. So far, it's just breezy. Let's go see if the fish are biting. We're under a curfew right now. You can see they drain the canal pretty heavily. So, of course there's no fish. That was a joke. But if they were there, they'd be biting. They are draining the canal fast and hard. This canal is usually, you can see the barren spot, it's usually up above that. So it is way down. They got the floodgates completely open. So much for fishing. Damn it, man. Why me? Fuck it. I can't get it off. I'm just leaving it on there.
What are you guys scared of? I can't use this. It's stuck to my pants. Eat, you freaking fat pigs. You try to feed some fish with a fishing pole stuck to you, and they get all offended.
All right. This can just stay there. I got my sweet skull board shorts on. What's up, Billabong? It's real now.
When you grab a hold of me, you tell me that I'll never be set free.
I should have took the big rig out. 2 hooks, 1 weight. Catch a shark with this bad boy. Tide water. See that? Tide water. Real water has tides. Only pussy water doesn't have tides. So here's one of my other tanks. It's fresh water. And the fish, it's just got 2 cichlids. And they're the scariest little bitches you've ever seen in your life. So they're not gonna come out. You're not gonna see them. I have to sneak up on them just to get a picture. So I'll try and drop some food in there.
Here, fishy, 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 fishy.
I swear, it's like I'm just feeding rocks. Eat the food, rocks. I give up. Forget you, fish. I hope you drown.
So we asked, of course, as usual. This is the second time, by the way, this morning that we've had a tornado warning in the same area.
So here's a tornado warning for basically the whole state. That's good. Really narrows it down, guy. Appreciate it. I swear. Weatherman. Some weatherman. That weatherman. He's just doing his job, I guess, but tornado warning. All of Florida. Yeah, rain bands. I'm like right here, somewhere in there. So right now we got a little bit of a lull, but this stuff just kind of cruised around us. It was okay, nothing crazy. More of the same. I'm gonna live stream later if I got internet. So stay tuned. Day 2, Hurricane Irma.
One of these, front finger, that's it.